Hello everyone. I'm taking this drill and a drill bit, attempting to make holes in this metal piece. You can see it's quite difficult. It's not cutting effectively. This shows you how a dull drill bit can slow down your projects and even damage your materials. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to transform this dull bit into a super sharp drilling machine. Now I'm carefully removing the drill bit from the chuck. It's clear that the tip is worn and no longer sharp, which is why it struggled with the metal. See how rough it is. I have these two screws. The angle formed by these two screws is the correct angle for the drill bit. And as you can see, a dull drill bit doesn't fit that angle, which is why the drill bit can't penetrate the metal pipe. To sharpen the drill bit correctly, we need a precise angle. I start with a small piece of wood, and I'll use these screws to mark a starting point, making sure they're perfectly aligned. Next, I'm using a ruler and a marker to draw precise diagonal lines at a 60-degree angle. These lines are crucial as they will guide our cuts to create the perfect jig for sharpening. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, using a handsaw, I'm carefully cutting along these marked lines. The key here is precision to ensure our jig holds the drill bit at the exact 60-degree angle we need. I'll make 2 of these angled cuts, separating small blocks that will form the core of our sharpening guide. Next, I cut a small triangular piece of wood to create a long rectangular piece of wood. After cutting, I'm sanding the cut edges of these small wooden pieces. This smooths them out and helps ensure a flat, stable surface when we glue them down. A precise fit is essential for consistent sharpening. I'm applying strong glue to the sanded pieces and carefully attaching them to a larger wooden base. I'm positioning them to create a channel that will cradle the drill bit perfectly. Once secured, I'm marking 60 degrees on the angled block. This ensures the drill bit's cutting edge is aligned optimally for sharpening. Next, I'm preparing my angle grinder. I'll remove the standard guard and replace the cutting disc with a grinding wheel. After that, I'm attaching these metal brackets to the grinder's housing. These brackets will allow us to securely mount the grinder to our wooden base, creating a stable sharpening station. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With the brackets in place, I'm now attaching the angle grinder to the main wooden base using screws. I'm ensuring it's firmly secured and aligned. This transforms the portable grinder into a stationary sharpening tool, allowing for controlled and consistent pressure during sharpening. I'm using a square ruler to check the alignment of the grinding wheel and make sure it's perfectly perpendicular to the base. This step is critical for accurate sharpening. Next, I used a ruler to measure and mark the position of the wood grinder. I will attach the wooden holder to the base with super glue. This precision ensures that the drill bit will contact the grinder at the exact 60-degree angle we prepared earlier. Now for the exciting part. I'm ready to sharpen the drill bit. I'll hold it firmly against the grinding wheel, guided by our custom wooden jig at the 60-degree angle. This careful, controlled grinding creates a perfectly sharp cutting edge. I'll dip the bit in water periodically to keep it cool and prevent overheating, which can damage the steel. And just like that, our drill bit is transformed. Look at that sharp, clean edge. Remember those nuts that wouldn't fit before? Watch this. The sharpened drill bit now fits snugly into the two screws, proving that the drill bit is perfectly sharp. This is the power of a properly sharpened tool. Now for the ultimate test. I'm putting the newly sharpened drill bit back into my drill and trying it on the same metal piece. You see how easily and quickly it goes through. The difference is incredible. This homemade drill bit sharpening station truly works wonders. If you found this video helpful and want to see more clever DIY solutions, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other tools you'd like to see sharpened. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.